Once, in London, there was a man named Roger who had a dog consisting of spots. And then they had puppies. A lot of them. And this is their story. One time, in the world of Europe, there was a dog. Sorry, a dog, not a dog. And she had 101 gorgeous little puppies. And she looks herself. This is her husband, Pongo. So, we're here to tell you their wonderful story. Corella's here! Woof, woof, woof. Okay. Corella! What are you doing here? I'm here to take your puppies. Why do you want my puppies? So I can use their fur. Oh! No! You'll never have any of my puppies! Now get out of my house! I have to go pee. I'm gonna take this one. Something's not right. Telemachus is gone. Oh. Come in here. Perdita, we have to find Telemachus.
Pongo, how could you do this? I want Telemachus back. How could you do this? The cruel woman. I swear, we're going to get her.
Yes, we will.
Pongo, I love you. We will find him, right?
You're choking me, woman.
I'm so sorry. Oh, Telemachus!
Magically, he learned how to fly, and he was on his way closer than ever to finding Telemachus.
Yes! Get back Telemachus, or else! Yes, he's right over there. Telemachus! Woof! Look, guys! Woof! It's Telemachus! Woof! Ah! Woof! Woof! Reunited!